So guys, welcome back to yet another video here on my channel. And if you're new here, I would want you to subscribe to this channel. If you're interested in making money online via remote jobs, okay, AI training jobs like data annotation, AI agent evaluation, all right, image annotation, AI training, STEM training, and so many other things that you could do as an AI expert. So today I will be showing you guys a project, Mindrift, which I got into, and I will show you guys the step-by-step process on how I got into Mindrift and how you can also follow this process to be able to get a Mindrift account. Now I can show you some proofs. You'll be able to see how much I have made and also how much my student in the private group was able to replicate this same result and several other persons. So if you follow this video, you watch this video from the beginning to the end, I'm sure you should be able to secure an account with Mindrift, because these are global platforms that accept Nigerians, that accept Africans. So you have a higher chance of getting in, all right? You just need to pass the AI interview and then do the job. So make sure to watch this video to the end. Follow me for more videos like this, and let's get into this video.
Okay, so as you can see right here on my dashboard, my Mindrift account, you can see available withdrawable balance is over $146. So you guys know this is real. Let me just go over to payment. You can currently see I have over $146 which I can withdraw to my added Pioneer account, although I'm not going to do this. If you're in Nigeria, you just have to get a Pioneer account so you can withdraw, and for right now I have no use with this money, so I'm just going to leave it here, probably trying to accumulate this to $1,000 before I can withdraw this. So as you can see, this is real proof that you don't have to be from US, UK, Canada, or look for someone to be able to make money on Mindrift. Let me just go over to my private AI job group. You can see this is one of my students also who has followed through, okay, my instructions, and you can see he has currently over $149 from this same opportunity. So to get into Mindrift, you simply just head over to the comment section. There will be a link right there and it will bring you to this page, and right here you can see a lot of opportunities here. You have the high priority projects, which are agent evaluation engineer, AI evaluation analyst, and so on and so on, down to AI pilot vibe coding. And you can see what this company is offering per hour, which is a huge lot of amount. Now the thing about Mindrift is most of these jobs here are majorly set for people in the US, UK, and Canada. So if you're wondering how I got into Mindrift, okay, this is the opportunity, the exact opportunity that got me into Mindrift, and a lot of people don't know about this. So if you're watching this video right now, then you're good to go. So you join Mindrift through the talent pool, so AI pilot assistant. So just click on apply and you'll be brought to this page. Okay, so you can see Mindrift is known as workable to local AI. So once you come here, you're going to read all about the role, what it's about, what you're going to be doing. It's a very straightforward thing. You need no prior experience about large language models or AI training. All right, so this is what you need to do. This is it. All these things, just make sure you have them in your CV, and you can see the rate goes up to about $20 per hour. It's even more than that. Like, they actually pay per tax. I wish I could show you that. Let's see. Let me go over to my activity history. I did 2 tasks on Mindrift and I was paid for that. So okay, I did 2 tasks. One was 45, one was 10, so making 55, and they always give bonus. That's one thing I love about Mindrift. There is always a bonus. You can see bonus was over 85 from Mindrift. So I would advise you to jump into Mindrift. So coming back to the application page, like I showed you, so you click on apply for jobs, and you'll be brought to this page where you can import your resume. Now if you are in the general group on Telegram, the link, as I said, is always in the comment section. The link to all my channel, it's always in the comment section. Don't miss out on that. So if you're in the general group on Telegram, we're over 3,500 members. You're going to see the CV resume template I dropped for free for you guys to use to create a CV template for yourself. So just go through YouTube, learn how to customize CV templates. You can use ChatGPT to help you modify this template. Just download the template, you can use it. And probably I'm going to make a focus video on CV resume, for people that are jumping into AI job space. So if you're interested in getting that video, just let me know in the comment section. Just comment CV resume, and I would, if I see the number of persons that are interested in that, I will make more videos. So you put your name, your last name, your email, which you'll be going to contacted with this email for the interview, your Nigerian details as usual. Upload your resume. Your cover letter is optional, so this is not necessary. Then you hit on submit application. Now once you hit on submit application, you're going to receive an email for your interview. So let me click on Mindrift so that you get this. So you're going to receive an email for your interview. So let me find that specific email so you can see what it looks like. So this is it. So this is the application I did. I received this email, and I think I'm looking for the email about the test. This is the Discord. So I think, this is what you're going to receive. So you're going to get this email. I'm trying to understand what's going on here. So I think I applied for Mindrift using Braintrust. I would show you guys about that, but the application I did was directly from Mindrift platform itself. I think maybe they use Braintrust. So I believe you would receive an email. You should receive this. Thanks for your interest in Mindrift and your intent to contribute this. Before moving forward, please register on our platform and take a look of how it works. So you should receive this email, which you would now register, and then consequently you will receive a second email to conduct the interview. Now the interview is where most people have challenges with. A lot of people get this interview and they fail. You can see, congratulations on completing your assessment. You are now qualified to join Mindrift in this domain. So try as much as possible to pass your interview. I've talked about a couple of ways you can help yourself prepare for this interview. So please make sure you look through it. So I'm going to talk about another way you can jump into Mindrift, not directly from the site itself, not directly from this site. So make sure you watch. So you just keep in touch with your email. That will tell you, give you progress on your application process. So now moving further to another way you can apply for projects on Mindrift and you could get higher chances of getting hired is via Braintrust. The link is in the comment section. So Braintrust has recently been listing a lot of opportunities for Toluca. You can see it right here. So please try to register for Braintrust. You can see a role here, and you can see this role is available to work from anywhere. So you apply for these roles. Come over here. I think this is something you can apply for: freelance general QA AI trainer. Which other role? You can also do this. You can see this is AI reviewer. This is an entry level opportunity. So you can see a lot of good opportunities here, and you can see by the left side or the right side, this is what they are offering. So guys, try to register for Braintrust. The link is in the comment section. Once you register for Braintrust, you have to complete your profile. You can see my profile is complete. you complete your profile, and also you take an interview. Okay, Braintrust, you need to pass Braintrust interview. If you pass the interview on Braintrust, your applications will be able to be forwarded. So very important, very important. Now these whole things are what exactly set you up for success in the remote job space. You don't just think coming into this platform or coming into this space and things just work out for you straight up. All right, so you have to position yourself for these opportunities. So another place you can get opportunities from Mindrift is LinkedIn. Okay, on LinkedIn you can get opportunities like this on Mindrift. So if you go over to the job section, you'll be able to see or search for opportunities, or you could just search for Mindrift from the search bar and you'll be able to find opportunities regarding Mindrift. So I don't think this is it. Let me go to the home section and search for Mindrift. Okay, so this is Mindrift on LinkedIn. So I just clicked on the profile, then I'll go over to their job section to see if there are any available jobs from Mindrift. So you can see, but so many of these jobs here are very old. You can see this is AI agent evaluation analyst 2 weeks ago, AI agent evaluation analyst EMA, that is from the Middle East, Africa and the rest. So when you see anything regarding EMEA, EMEA, this covers both Africa, Mediterranean and Middle East. So these are always opportunities for you in Africa once you see this EMEA. So you see this is 2 weeks ago. So these are key places where you can apply for Mindrift based on whatever skills you feel is fit for you. You can apply, but the sure way of getting into Mindrift and making as much as this that I just listed, I showed you, more projects are actually coming on Mindrift. I believe in the couple 2-3 months I would come back with more updates to show you guys that I've actually made more than this. So stay tuned for that video. So go over to Mindrift.ai, apply, click on the AI powered assistant, apply. Get your CV ready, carry out your applications. You receive an email, like I said, follow up with whatever the email is about, and complete your AI interview and jump into it. Another way you can jump into Mindrift is to register for Braintrust via the link in the bio. Complete your profile and you'll be able to send jobs, applications. If you see, I have applications here. I have about 2. One is from Toluca. I think the both are from Toluca, and you can see it right here. So I will keep on applying as much opportunities, but right now I can't apply for jobs on Mindrift because I already have an existing job or with the platform. So I think I have to just avoid applying any job related to Mindrift, but I think I would be able to apply other platforms which you would get from this Braintrust. So guys, this is all about this video about how to get into Mindrift. I wish you guys success. Make sure to join the Telegram group, very important. I have the Telegram group channel. We have the discussion groups where you can communicate with other persons, conversate with other persons and help yourself in this remote job space. So with that being said guys, see you guys in another video.